Hello everybody! Can you do these actions? Yes, I can. No, I can't. Swim, run, surf, ride a bike, ride a horse, skateboard, ride a skateboard, roller skate, play football, play the piano, sing, dance, cook, surf the internet, play video games, play computer games, speak English, speak French, speak Chinese, draw. Superman can see through walls. Superman can fly over buildings. Superman can lift a car, and he can freeze water.